Hey, what is up you guys? So I'm lmao, and today I have been craving poutine. If you guys don't know what poutine is, it's fries, gravy, and cheese. And oh my Jesus, I have just been reminded of the existence of that by one of my friends. Shout out to you. Yeah, so I'm gonna head over to the grocery store now and get my poutine materials. And I've never made this before. I've only had it for the first time like a few months ago, like earlier this year. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm excited, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So let's go. Pardon.
Stop it. Stop it. Let me do my thing. Stop it.
How am I hindering you? In what way am I hindering?
Fuck. Here we go.
Okay, I'm trying to find a way to... Oh god.
Do you need a tripod?
Kind of. But I'll figure it out.
Oh my god. Hold on.
Got my potatoes. I'm honestly kind of scared. But we'll be fine, we'll be alright. So we're gonna cut potatoes. I need a knife. Yeah, potatoes, air fryer. So because I don't like to follow recipes and measure things, I don't know how many potatoes, so I'm gonna just potato it up. Alright, so the potatoes done. Watching some Spanish makeup tutorial. What do I do now? I don't know if they could sit on top of each other, or if they should, or if they shouldn't do that. I don't know. I think they'll be aight. I don't know. I'll find out. Hey, yo, moment of truth. Sure. I don't know. Let's just go with that. Yeah. While that's cooking, I'm about to make the gravy, and I don't. We'll see. I don't know. And I'm using a measuring cup, even though I don't know how much I'm actually supposed to be putting in there. But it is my means to transport the flour. Because that's type a lot of butter. Highly doubt those are the steps, but have you not been cooking the whole time? Oh my god, 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 oh god, oh. Anywho's and doozes. It looks like mashed potatoes, guys. That's not it. Give me a second. So I don't know how y'all gonna feel about this, but I added soy sauce. I think it's happening. I think. Ah. So it's still a little lumpy because I didn't do it slowly. I gotta like. Ah. Alright, and now we wait. Got the potatoes, fucking the gravy. I'm excited. I was craving poutine for whatever reason. I think I was talking about Canada and how y'all have poutine in McDonald's, and I was like, yo, that's so fire, it's so good. And I'll be wallin' right now at McDonald's if we had poutine in the States at our McDonald's. So I'm hyped. As you can tell, I wing everything in the kitchen. I trust myself, you know, you gotta trust yourself, have faith in the process. Porque está muy espesa. Most of them? Some of them? Oh fuck, I don't know. I'm scared. Hold on. Might have fucked up. I don't know. I think they should be done now. Please. I think so, yeah. Should be in the clear. I also put them in like wet, like with water. Do I put pepper now? I don't think so. Alright, y'all. Moment of truth. How do I even get this? I could be doing this entirely wrong. Also, it's lumpy, I know, because there's flour. Forgive me, poutine gods. It's happening. And now. Am I supposed to do this, like, now? Or, like, in the plate? I don't fucking know. I think this is right. I was feeling some comfort food. I don't know if Canadians consider this comfort food. It's ass breezy. Hey. Do you want to try it? I haven't tried it yet either. I'm so excited. There you go.
Well, I gotta have like a little bit though.
That's
I'm full.
Oh, really? So?
Yeah. I don't know, my stomach's upset. I'm pretty sure I'm just full.
I think it's pretty good. Not bad. Not bad, actually. Okay. Okay.
Oh.
Not like what I've had, but good work on it.
Good.
I don't know, I'm so hungry too. Ah, it's so good.
Okay, good job.
Poutine. It's fire. I think it's a success. I don't know. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. See you next time. I'm Lil Menthol. Peace out.